Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine. Today we are going to do question number 3 of Skill Booster Pack 2023 and page number is 2. Answer the following short questions. First is, why does the Chinese dinner consist of 8 or 9 dishes? These questions are taken from chapter Chinese New Year, that is question number 2. The answer will be, it is because in Chinese language the word 8 means prosperity and 9 means long lasting. Second question is, why do Chinese families do thorough cleaning of their houses before New Year's Day? The answer will be, they believe that thorough cleaning of their houses clears out bad luck of the previous year. It also makes the house ready to accept good luck for the coming year. Now come to the third. Third is, what is the importance of Chinese New Year for the Chinese family? The Chinese families come together to say thanks for the past year and refresh themselves for the coming year, so it's very important for them. Fourth question, what do you know about China and Chinese festival? Fifth is, why is trying again important in life? This question is taken from chapter number 3, that is poem Try Again. These two questions are conceptual and you can give answers in your own words. I can give some idea of question number 4, that is, China is most populated country of the world and the language of this country is Chinese, and the most important or famous festivals are Chinese New Year, Horse Dinner, and you can search them from the Google. Fifth, why is trying again important in life? Because trying again can be helpful to achieve success, and you can give answer in your own words, and answer will be in minimum 2 or 3 lines. Okay, thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.